Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Oraimo Watch 6, and on this video, we are going to explore this one, the AI generated watch faces. So we will check it. We already checked on it previously. We tried to see if it works so that we can show you the process on how to download or generate a watch face. So on this video, I'm going to show it to you. There are at least 3 options for the AI watch faces. So if you are interested to see this feature for the Oraimo Watch 6, watch this video. And again, if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and generate AI watch faces for our Oraimo Watch 6. Again, you have the Oraimo Health app and go to the dial center and create dial. These 3 options is not available if you don't register. So you have to register or create an account in the Oraimo Health to have these 3 options. The 3 options are convert text to images, then image to image, and the last one, convert portrait to cartoon. So let's try and have the first one, convert image to image. Okay, so I stand corrected. The first one is text to image, not image to image. So let's try this one. Let's put this aside first. Let's focus on the first one, text to image. And as you can see here, we have 23. Okay, we already tried several times just to check. And as you can see here, users can obtain 30 available times for free on the first of each month. So I think it will reset, okay, every month. So let's try. Anyway, let's have our prompt here. Yellow fish. Let's try this one. Yellow fish flying. Okay, then let's have the realistic option. Confirm to generate. Okay, let's wait. Usually it takes at least less than a minute when I tried it several times. Okay, so we have here the generated image. Then select next. Then adjust the time. We'll select this one. Okay, we'll not change the color. Okay, so let's change. Let's make it white. Then set as main dial. If everything is okay, your smartwatch will switch to download mode, as you can see here. Transmitting dial. Let's wait for it. 77%. And we have here our AI watch face. Text to image option. Okay. Then next, let's have another one. We'll try it all. So we have convert image to image. So let's select our image here. Instead of taking photos, let's select from the album. Let's have this one. Okay, then, so this is realistic. Let's make it Chinese. I think this is somewhat like a painting. Then, confirm to generate. Generating, please be patient. Okay, it may take some time. I think it depends on your internet connection. So generating, please be patient. And we have here the image. It's like a Chinese painting, I think. Okay, the same process. Tap on next, adjust the time, and download the image to your smartwatch. So we'll not do it anymore. We'll just do the uploading of the image on the third one. This one, convert portrait to cartoon. So let's select from your album. Let's have an image here. Let's pick another one. Okay, I think this one will do. Then, okay, 3D animation. Let's try this one. It may take some time, I think. Confirm to generate. Let's wait. Hopefully, it will not be that long. So 3D animation. Let's try this. And we have here the 3D generated image of the photo. Okay, a portrait. Then next, let's adjust the time. Change it to different color. Okay, then set as main dial. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to synchronization mode. Let's wait for the successful download. And we have here our AI portrait to cartoon image. Nice. Okay, so very good feature, and you have a lot of options for your Oraimo Watch 6 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.